OMAG is a public entity risk pool. So we're a collection of government entities, municipalities in the state of Oklahoma. We provide property and casualty insurance along the lines of general liability, auto, property, and workers' comp for Oklahoma cities and towns. We are the premier provider of insurance in Oklahoma for municipalities. We currently have approximately $35 million annual premium and over $5 billion total insured value across all of our lines. As of a few years ago, OMAG was still doing most of their policy processing, honestly, on paper. It was clear that it was time to modernize. And at that point in time, it was also becoming clear that the organization as a whole needed to be more data-driven. So with an eye towards business analytics and business intelligence, it was clear that having one suite of software that worked together was going to be absolutely critical to move forward. There were a number of products that were looked at, a number of vendors that were approached. In some of those cases, the solutions were too big. In some of those cases, they were a little too small. In fact, what we had to suss out as an organization was that Goldilocks zone for a software solution. We're very pleased with Riskmaster Accelerator. The solution is easy to upgrade, easy to support. It's customizable without being so much customizable that you break backwards compatibility. The solution, honestly, is one of the easier ones for us to manage. And we're looking forward to being able to upgrade quickly without a huge amount of testing and regression testing. What we've done in our technology services department is embrace those power users in each of the departments that utilize our software and try and work with them to be our boots on the ground. We call them our IT ninjas. They'll check out data, run down problems, and work directly with production support staff on those issues that we need to escalate. And it keeps us in an environment where that we don't have to continually add more staff to technology services. It's a partnership between IT and the business that's working phenomenally well. As we go forward, we're continuing to improve the way that we're collecting the information, storing it in the system, and eventually we'll be doing more reporting on it as well. It's actually spurred a lot of discussions internally amongst our departments on what data we collect from our insureds, how we collect it, where we store it, and what we're going to do with it in the long term. And that's been a great boon to us, because that part of the process of modernization is the most critical. Understanding the business and marrying business and IT together makes sure that we have a very clear understanding of what the strategic goals of the organization as a whole are. It's nice to have a system that's flexible, that is going to adapt to changes, such as a cyber liability special coverage type that we're preparing to add. They know the changes in the industry. They've embraced the concept of going cloud-based.